What's up, y'all? It's Cash Barb. If you don't know who I am, I'm a celebrity makeup artist / professional makeup artist. I've been doing this for 14 years. But anyway, no one cares. You just came to see this video for me to do my makeup, right? All right, so let's get into it. This is how I do my makeup every day, okay? This is not one of those, come look pretty with me. Look, this is how I do it. Errors, flaws, all of that. If you don't prep your skin, baby, you ain't gonna get no flawless beat. Okay, so imagine if so this right here is a Refi primer. It's the Glow and Sculpt. Your Backstage, cause why? It's a face and body primer. It's good, you know. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown. Baby, this is expensive, but it's worth it. It's a vitamin enriched face base. It's an all-in-one primer, so even if you're not gonna put on makeup, you can still use this. Hydrate your skin before you want to put layers of makeup on, baby. Next, I'm going to use my Milk, my primer, my Holy Grail. Let that sit and get a little tacky on your face. If you just go in with some foundation right now, that ain't the move. I'm a girl that likes to underpaint. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty contour sticks. This is the only thing I like from Fenty Beauty. And the highlight. That's the only thing. The center of your face is always lighter. So that's where you put concealer. Any place that's darker, that's where you put contour. I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Tarte Shape Tape, we're gonna go in with Tan Sand. Of course, I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer, but this is just my base concealer first. I love doing makeup on other people. I hate doing makeup on myself. I'm gonna use Virtue. And I'm gonna dab it here, put a little hair, bring it up in my hairline. So I'm gonna use my Refi pencil. This one is in dark. Use a light hand when it comes to this, okay? Because this pencil goes crazy. So I'm just filling in those sparse areas. So next I'm gonna do my brow by filling it in with this MAC's Shade Brow Tint. Unfortunately, this is no longer in stock. They discontinued it, which I don't understand why. But MAC, if you see this video, bring it back. Thank you. Now what we're gonna do is take our MAC Studio Finish in NC35 to carve out our brow. Still the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna use light medium sand. I like a bright under eye, so. I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid NC42. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Paint Pots in Soft Ochre. I'm not really an eyeshadow girl, so something natural, something simple. My Makeup by Mario palette. This is the Master Max Original palette. So I'm gonna use this one on my lid and probably this. It reminds me of like Saddle from MAC, but this in my crease. So next I'm gonna set my under eye. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish in color 2. So this is just to set the concealer. This is not your baking. This is not to brighten it. The bronzer, this is the color 3. I'm gonna use my Maron palette. This is the Cheek Powder palette. And I'll take this pink here. Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Take my Skin Finish Mineralized from MAC. This is Dark Tan. And I'm just gonna add some warmth to my skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my one size. This color is Point Made Bodacious Black. And I'm gonna put this on my waterline. I gotta do this off camera, y'all. I'll be back. So next is gonna be lashes and mascara, but before I do that, I wanna add some moisture back into my skin. So I'm gonna use my Fix Plus from MAC. I'm gonna use my highlight from the Cash brand. This is called Sun Wink. So now I'm gonna use my mascara and then put on my lashes. So I'm gonna use my In Extreme Dimension. This is the travel size from MAC. So the lashes I'm going to use today are from my line, thecashbrandcosmetics.com. And this is Twinkle. It's just going to give me volume and a little length, but nothing too crazy. Almost done. Now it's time for lips. I'm going to use my lip liner from the Cash Brand Cosmetics. This is True Brown with my lipstick Nudish. So I want to add a little more blush while my lips dry down before I put my gloss on. So I'm going to go in there with my Morphe Cheek Thrills. This is Beach Bonfire. So now I'm going to go in and add some lip gloss from my cosmetics line, the Cash Brand Cosmetics, and this is Bare It All. So this is the finished look. Thank you for watching with me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and do my hair because this is not giving. You know, it gotta be the full package. But yeah, thanks for watching me do my makeup with me. Love y'all. Mean it.